So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mesh from TechMesh and today I'm going to show you that how you can lock your Google Chrome browser using an extension, really simple extension. So you can lock any specific profile and when you get out of that profile, your Google Chrome will automatically lock and without putting the correct pin, no one can access your browser data. So let me show you. So let's just open this browser. So I have set it up the extension here. So here you can see it is saying browser lock your browser. So it is asking for my password. So if I put the wrong password here, it is saying that did you lost your password? So it is not letting me use that particular Google Chrome profile. So if I just put the correct password and then click on sign in, then here you can see that I can easily access my browser. So this is a really quick and simple extension. So I will show you that how you can get that extension. Alright, so let's get started. So first open your browser and then just go to this link. So I will also put the link in the description below. So the extension's name is browser lock your browser. So this is a free extension, but this extension is not available in your Chrome web store. So you need to download it from this third-party website. So the main concern is that the security. So I can see that they have uploaded the source code here. So I am guessing that we could trust them, but you have to assess the risk by yourself. Obviously there are some risks attached to it obviously, but they have already uploaded the code and source code and everything. So I think that we should be fine, but take your own risk. So after coming to this link and then just click on this download icon here, and then here you can see three options. So you should download the zip file. All right, so when you click on this download zip file, then they would ask you to sign up, and after signing up in their website, then you can download the zip file. So I have already downloaded the zip file. Let me show you. So here is the zip file that I have downloaded and I have already extracted the zip file here. So this is the contents of this extension. So now we need to sideload this extension in our browser. So let's say for example we want to add the extension in this browser, then we need to click on this three dot icon and here we need to select extension and then here we need to click on manage extension. So we can also close this window here, we don't need it anymore. And now here we need to click on this developer mode. So you need to enable this developer mode. All right, so after enabling this developer mode, then you would find here three options. So you need to select load unpack, and after selecting this, then just go to your downloads or where you have extracted the zip file. So here is our zip file, and then just click on select folder. So here you can see that the extension has been loaded. Now here you need to put your new password. So let's put our password, for example 1234, and let's put our password here. And here they are asking for your email address. So in case you forgot your password, then they would like email you the password recovery. But I would suggest you to like put a password that you can remember easily, because their emailing service is not so reliable. So just keep that in mind. All right, so let me just put an email here, and here they are saying make sure that you don't forget your password. So just make sure that. All right, and then here it is saying registration has completed, and then click on OK. So this is the window. So here you can see the browser lock has been turned on. So if you want to turn it off, you can like toggle it to turn it off. All right, so let's turn it on for now. And here is the deep security. So it locks the browser login for 3 minutes after 3 wrong login attempts. So if you want to enable it, you can obviously do that. They also have a dark mode. So if you are a dark mode fan like me, then you can obviously toggle it. And then here is the password recovery. So you can obviously turn it on. And here is clear history. It clears browser history after 3 wrong login attempts. So if you want to do that, then you can obviously toggle it on. And you can also change your email from here or change your password from here. So now let's see that how it works. So now let's here, if you just click on this extension here, then here you can see the extension browser lock. So let's pin it so we can see the icon here at the top. So now we will close our Chrome browser again. And now let's open our browser and see that if this extension work or not. So here you can see that our browser has locked us, so we cannot use our browser without putting our pin. So let's say for example we are putting 123. So here you can see that they are saying did you lost your password. So if you just put the correct password here 1234, so here you can see that you can easily access your browser. And if you want to like go to the settings of this extension, then just right click on this icon and then here click on change settings. So here you need to put your password and then click on login, and this is the setting window of this extension. And also, like, you can manually lock it. If you just right click on here and click on lock browser, then it would manually lock your browser. And this app has been created by this person, so let me just show you. So a URL has been added, so let's put our pin here. So this is their Patreon. So HUMBL dump. So if you want to like donate to them, then I highly suggest you to donate to them. But I don't know them personally. I found this extension by searching online. I don't know that if you can trust this extension completely or not. There are some risks obviously attached to it, as this is a third party source, but I think that we could trust it, but the decision is up to you. So that's it. That's how you can lock your Google Chrome profile using this extension. So if this video helped you, then don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. If you have any question or any suggestion, then let me know that in the comment section below.